The easiest way to knit stranded colorwork is by holding one strand at a time in the hand that we normally use to hold the working yarn. If you prefer to hold yarn in your left hand, then when it is time to change the color, hold the tips of both needles with your right thumb and index finger, like this. Then with your left hand, go and take the strand that you need to make the next stitch. In my case, it's going to be white. So I take the white strand, place it on my left index finger and hold it with the rest of my fingers. And I don't wrap the strand around any of my fingers to let the yarn flow freely. And now I can knit as many stitches as I need according to my color pattern. In this case, it's going to be 2 knit stitches in white color. When it is time to change the color again, then I let go of all the strands and I hold the tips of both needles with my right thumb and index finger, and then I go and take the other color, the black, and try to always keep one strand over the other. So for example, when I started this project, I decided that my white color will be over the black color. So when I need to pick the black strand, I will do it from under the white strand, like this. See, the strands are crossed like this. So I will take the black from under the white strand. And then again, I place it on my left index finger, hold it with the rest of my fingers and knit next 2 stitches with the black color. If you prefer to hold yarn in your right hand, then the idea of holding one strand at a time is the same, but it is easier to change the color when you have the needle inserted in the stitch. So first, you insert the tip of the right needle into the next stitch, and then you hold the tips of both needles with your left thumb and index finger. And then your right hand is free, so you go and pick the strand. So now I need white again, so I'm picking it over the black strand, keeping the color dominance intact. And I wrap the needle with the yarn, then pull the wrap through, creating a stitch, and knit the next stitch in white color again. And this method is the same for Fair Isle and other stranded color patterns worked with 2 colors, and for the color patterns worked with 3 or more colors. The full tutorial about this technique is at tenroseday.com/simple-stranded-knitting. The pattern for the binary socks that I'm making is at tenroseday.com/binary-socks. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.